morning, guys. It's now Thursday. I just finished editing and uploaded the video. I've been editing videos in the morning time now. So I'm heading down to Port of Spain. I'm trying to get there before traffic hour. Well, in between traffic hours. Traffic in Port of Spain is the worst. So I'm going to go drop off my booklets as well as the kuchela, and I'm taking these labels because I need to find a good container for my new product. So I'm gonna check out a few places and see the prices. Hopefully I need a container and stuff to be cheap so that the product itself will be cheap. If the container is expensive, that really does not make sense at all. And I'm trying to avoid using plastic. So we'll see how that goes. So my video vlog is uploaded on YouTube as well as Facebook. Go check it out. Dun, 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 dun. Join Shape Me Didi, guys. I can teach you about managing your lifestyle changes a lot better. Because honestly, I eat chocolate every day and I still don't gain. It's all about portions and understanding how your portion and your plate should look as an individual, because everyone is different. So if you're ready to make that change, message me. Let's start of February. Let's go have some breakfast. Look at how cute you are. It's so sweet. I love them so much. Yummy, yummy. Breakfast time. Yum, 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 yum. Checking out some prices for my new product. Heading to get some water now. I'm home. I just finished typing up the records for today because I sold 2 booklets and a mango kuchela. And I also collected my containers. They are environmentally friendly because my sister is an environmentalist and I care about the environment. She makes sure of that as well. So we're making sure that the products are environmentally friendly, and it's going to be a healthy breakfast mixture. Can't wait to start and launch. I already have the label. I think I have I want it to be a little bit smaller, but after I send out this batch, and then I will probably edit it a little bit because I think the sizes are slightly big for the container, but it should work for now. Nice breakfast recipe. Yum, 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 yum. So they are plant-based alternatives and eco-friendly to the environment. Yes, nice containers. And it wasn't too expensive, so that's good because the bottles costed a lot for the kuchela. So I'm glad that the containers are less so that the price will be less overall. It's lunchtime. Let's go eat. Squishy, 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 squishy. Hey guys, I'm home. I just went for some hot chocolate. Oh my gosh, I need to slow down on these hot chocolates because it's probably gonna get me bad. Just kidding, but no, for real, I should probably take a halt on that. I can't believe February is starting. Wow, that's crazy, man. I have to definitely sort out my calendar and check back on making progress for Shape Me Didi and my diabetes educator course. I'm still looking for space to rent. Tomorrow I definitely need to work on this sleep apnea video. And to talk about sleep apnea, explain what it's about. It's nearly the end of the week. I hope you guys had an awesome week. I really do. I definitely need to start by keeping track and making sure that everyone's okay with their lifestyle changes. But honestly, with the program, it's very difficult to relapse because of the constant communication with me. So I'll be there to help you throughout the entire process. And if you're interested in making any lifestyle changes or you're ready to try something new or different, message me and join Shape Me Didi. It's flexible and it's definitely a program that works. So remember, I have my mango kuchela product. If you're interested, let me know. And I'm coming up with my breakfast recipe product as well. I'm gonna have to experiment with it a little bit tomorrow and try to do a video to launch it soon. Message me if interested. And I also have my cookbook booklet, don't forget that. My cookbook booklet. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sleep well.